Things every first-time homeowner should do immediately.
You finally got the keys to your first home, but before you unpack a single box, there are 10 things you must do immediately. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Let's start with safety. First, change every exterior lock. You have no idea who still has copies of your keys, neighbors, realtors, or contractors. Second, find the main water shutoff valve. If a pipe bursts, every second counts. Make sure your whole family knows where it is. Third, locate the electrical panel. Label every breaker clearly so you aren't left in the dark during a simple repair. Fourth, replace your HVAC filters and test all smoke and carbon monoxide detectors immediately. Safety first, healthy air second. Fifth, deep clean your empty home. It's incredibly easy to clean cabinets, baseboards, and closets before moving furniture in. Sixth, walk through every room and record video of everything. Those records can become invaluable if you ever file an insurance claim. Seventh, read your insurance policy and understand home warranty coverages. 5 minutes today can prevent hours of frustration later. Eighth, update your mailing address with USPS, banks, credit cards, and your driver's license. Knock them all out in one afternoon. Ninth, introduce yourself to your neighbors. Good neighbors are one of the best security systems you will ever have. Finally, create a home binder and maintenance calendar to organize manuals, paint colors, records, and seasonal chores. Buying your first home is exciting, but owning a home comes with responsibility. If you remember nothing else from today's video, remember these 3 priorities: protect your family, protect your home, and protect your investment. Those simple actions during your first week can save thousands of dollars over the years. Home ownership isn't about knowing everything on day one. It's about learning one project, one repair, and one maintenance task at a time. That's exactly what we do here at Conley's Home Improvement. If this video helped you, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future DIY tips that can save you time and money. So, next, watch my video. First-year home maintenance checklist every homeowner needs. Or if you're trying to manage your new home budget, watch How to Budget for Home Repairs Without Going Broke. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken from Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good, one project at a time. I'll see you in the next project.
Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. Things every first-time homeowner should do immediately. Follow at Conley's-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.